Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? And for today's product, I want to talk to you guys about a umbrella, because it's right now it's January and it's gonna be February soon and March, and around this time, if you're from the Bay Area, from San Francisco, or you're from New York, rainy season's coming up, and not just New York and San Francisco, but there's other parts of different cities that are having the same issue of rain coming up. So you want to be ready. You want to be ready for that storm. Be ready for that wind, because if you buy cheap umbrellas or like bad umbrellas, you just go blown away or it breaks so easily. So for today's product, I want to talk to you guys about the Davek umbrella, because I've been testing this product. I have this for more than half a year already, and I've been using it during the rainy season and whatnot, and this has been a lifesaver. So for this product that I have in my hand right here, this one costs $150 roughly, and if you were to buy the other one, the cheaper one, that one would cost $120. But if you want to buy it in a combo, that one costs $220, so you're saving a lot more money, like $20-30 or more, but you're saving money regardless. But other than that, let's show you guys what's inside. So let's open up this product and show you guys what's inside this box that's for $150. So when we open the box, this is what you get inside. They have the tag right here, and this is the umbrella itself. So that's the umbrella, and inside it's just nothing. And on the lid, it shows you all like the history of the umbrella, and also how to pronounce the umbrella and how to use the umbrella. So for the umbrella itself, it gives you a little bag right here that you can just pull out like that. And then for the umbrella itself, it has a really nice leather strap right here, if you guys can see, that you can just strap on and just put it off. You get this little strap so you can put it on your wrist to hold it. And right here, this button right here is how you press to open it. So if you want to press it, obviously it can't open because it's still locked. So let me unlock it for you guys and show you guys what it means. So when you open it, you just press the button, and there you have it. And you press it again and it closes. But it doesn't close all the way, so you guys have to do that. So the material for the umbrella itself, it feels a lot different compared to a typical umbrella. This actually is much better quality fabric that they provide for the umbrella. So when water get onto it, it actually like comes off much easier, and it doesn't ruin the umbrella. So that's one thing you guys want to know. You're pretty much paying for the quality umbrella. That's number one, the quality umbrella. And number two, you're paying for the convenience of the button and also the strap. So number two is conveniency. And number three is for the windproof umbrella. So they tested this product using a really strong fan. I'll put the link down below so you guys can check out that video of what I mean by wind tested. But it's really strong, and it can hold down any strong winds. And even if they can't, they promise that if somehow the umbrella breaks and it's not your fault, it's the wind's fault or something, they have lifetime warranty where you can just have them either fix it or give you a brand new one. I'm not sure which is which, but they will fix it for you either way. How sure they are of the product that it will not break, and even if it does, they'll provide you a brand new one or a fixed version of what you already have. So that's really nice of them to like make a product like that. So you're pretty much paying for, if you think about it, you're paying for a warranty for the umbrellas, a long time warranty, so that if anything happens to it, then they can fix it, and you're pretty much paying for the quality and the trust of this brand. And the fact that it's from New York, I have not trust from them, because New York itself right now is having a blizzard, and they're known for having a rainy day season during I believe around November to February. If I'm wrong, then correct me. But either way, during the rainy season, it's like really strong winds and like really heavy rain. So having this umbrella, I feel like will help a lot there. So it's really useful to have an umbrella, especially one that can cover you, and also one that can protect you from the wind. And even if this flips, then you know that it'll be fine and it won't break. So to answer the big question of is it worth it to pay for this umbrella? some of you guys out there might be in a budget and you might be hesitant about buying it. Then in your case, I would say no, it's not worth buying. In my case, I would say it is. I'd rather pay the extra buck for that warranty of the umbrella if anything were to happen to it, and you're paying for the quality of the umbrella as well, and you're paying for what they promise, which is the windproof, so that even if the umbrella flips the other direction that you don't want it to flip, they will not break, because they tested it so many times with a wind machine, and every time when it flips it doesn't break, and even if it doesn't flip, it's really strong to withhold the wind strength, to withhold the wind power of the wind machine. So in real life scenario, you know that it's really good to protect you from the wind and the rain. So is it worth it? Yes, for me. But is it worth it for you guys? That's for you guys to decide whether or not it's worth it or not. It's your own opinion of whether or not it's worth it, and how badly you guys need it is depending on you guys. So other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to click that like button and comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video, and it helps you guys determine whether or not this umbrella by Davek is worth buying or not. And if you guys already own one of these, let me know in the comments down below how it's been for you guys and how long you guys been using it, because I want to know how it's been for you guys as well. And other than that, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to stay positive and be you. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.